Okay, class, who can define science for me?
The study of the natural world.
Yes, through observation and experiments. Here are the main branches of science. We have biology, chemistry, physics, and earth science. Can someone mention 2 branches of science? John?
Biology and physics.
Yes, great job. Okay, who can mention 2 branches of science? Angel?
Chemistry and earth science.
Yes, excellent. Okay, class, let's give a big clap for Anya and John. Great job, you two. Okay, class, let's review. Who can name a branch of science?
Biology.
Excellent. Another one?
Physics.
These are the branches of science. First, biology, then chemistry, physics, and earth science. Today, we're focusing on biology. This is the study of living things. It includes branches like botany and zoology. Okay, class, let's look at other branches of biology. We have botany, the study of plants, and zoology, the study of animals.